Hey guys, welcome back. And as you can see behind me, guess what we got back to life? Our 80 series Toyota Land Cruiser. And I'll tell you what guys, this has been a dream come true for me to have her running once again. My Toyota, I've owned this one since 2018. When I got her though, she was in really rough shape. But with a little love and care, she became one of the best off-roaders you could ever own. Now, yeah, she's been out of the picture for a while. You've been seeing mainly just the 4Runner in our last few adventures. Well, be honest, because the 4Runner was working and this one was broken. But I've since remedied that sailing process, and now we are ready to wheel again. So this adventure today, we are over here in Holcomb Valley testing out our 80 series. Yesterday we came up Highway 38 and it did really well. No struggling and climbing the hill. Engine performed beautifully. And we decided to camp out here in the snow just because we like it. But guess what? This just adds more to the adventure and more to the fun for us. And you guys can see, she handled like a champ. Guess what guys? The 80's ready for her next adventure. And if you guys like adventures just as much as I do, guess what? We're putting together an all Toyota Land Cruiser event. All years, all generations, all right, are welcome. Guess what guys? It's only for people in the SoCal area, but if you're willing to travel, we're here. Guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friends, your family. If you want to help support this channel, please look at our merchandise on spring.com, or if you want to donate to help support this channel, check out our PayPal in the description below. Every little bit helps guys, and I want to thank you guys again for watching this far, and remember, you can't go wrong with that.